Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing the hunt. Compass spawns most often inside underground chests, pots, and enemy drops, so head down now and explore horizontally. Bring a strong pick, grappling hook, 100 torches, and healing. This keeps you deep longer and reduces backtracking. Once you reach the cavern layer, break pots and open each chest you find. Don't skip small rooms. Make sure to clear enemy clusters and mark explored tunnels on your map. That improves efficiency and prevents revisits. Once you've established routes, work methodically. Clear one corridor or cave system per run and open every container. Chests and pots give the best chance for a compass. If chest farming stalls, switch to enemy farming in the cavern layer or fish crates in the ocean to diversify loot sources. Make sure to reset the world by returning to town between runs. This respawns chests and enemies quickly. You'll see progress faster by repeating focused, short runs than wandering aimlessly. When you finally find a compass, equip it into an accessory slot and observe your coordinates on the HUD. This clarifies why the compass is useful for navigation. If you still haven't found one after many runs, expand your search radius, fish more crates, and open biome-specific chests because RNG favors variety. If things go wrong, make sure your game version and mods aren't altering drops. Also confirm you're in the correct underground/cavern depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.